Wondering what blogging can do for your company to help drive leads? My name's Marie and I'm from Waves Digital Canada, and this is your Waves Wednesday. As some of you might already know, content marketing is simply the creation and sharing of online materials. These content pieces don't have to explicitly promote your brand, but they do have to stimulate interest in your products or services. Content marketing is like hanging out in a new group of friends that all have the same interests, slyly slipping in interesting information, interesting news, interesting opinions on topics, so that you build trust with those people and that they come back to you and think of you as a leader in that topic. It happens through writing about relevant topics, through showing your face in videos and images on your website, and through being present on your social channels. It helps you rank. If you know us at Waves Digital, you know we love our SEO. We don't even call it content marketing, we call it SEO copywriting. This is the best strategy to use to rank for more keywords in Google and to also rank higher in Google. The more variety of content that you have on your website, the more different searches you'll show up in, which in turn will tremendously grow your brand. It helps you build trust with your customers. You want the information on your website to be informative, you want it to answer their questions, and you want it to be easily digestible. If you're not on social media, and if you haven't updated your website in over 10 years, you're not doing yourself any favors. Trust is built online. The sales process is over 65% done before a customer even talks to a rep. So actually, your reputation is built online. It helps you increase conversions. There's two stats that I want to tell you about today. One is that content marketing provides a 6% higher conversion rate than any other digital marketing strategy, and 61% of customers last year bought something immediately after they read a blog. These numbers suggest that you should be focusing on content creation over any other marketing strategy in 2019. It allows you to show your expertise. Consumers want to deal with experts who know the most about the product or service they're about to invest in. So creating content allows you and your company a way to prove that you're an expert in the industries. If you'd like a piece of content written and created by the Waves Digital team for free, then join our mailing list right here. Yep, I'm talking about a perfectly optimized blog or caption for social media. The last thing I want to talk about is cost. Content marketing is one of the most cost-effective marketing strategies there is out there, possibly the best. It costs 62% less than any other strategy, and it brings you 3 times more leads. So if you're looking to run with the big guys, but you don't have the budget for it, turn to content marketing to do that for you. There's lots I didn't talk about in terms of content marketing and SEO, so if you have any questions about that, feel free to fire an email over to us at Waves Digital Canada. Our contact information is below. And we have new content coming out every week, so be sure to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next week.